if you can see me right now, I don't know if you can see me because my camera is really glitching out the next video, but it's daylight, so I don't know what's going on. So please give this a like, because yeah, it's dark. No, it's not. It's actually daylight. So I don't know what's going on with my camera. So I have to get fixed. I cannot make any more videos until I get my camera fixed. So very sorry. Very. And I really want to make a video about something, but I cannot because my camera is not working. You cannot see anything. Plain blackness. So that's why my camera's not working. It's broken. I have to get a new one or gotta get it fixed.